All right guys, welcome back to the channel. Mike here, and I want to go over some product stuff for some of our older customers. This is more for our 9th generation Civic Si owners. So what we have here is the Hasport side mount kit. So this is basically just minus the rear mount. We offer this because a lot of people will upgrade and do the rear mount first, and then they will come in and want to upgrade the passenger engine mount and the transmission mount. So what we have here is the transmission mount. You've got the 2 bolts underneath that go on the chassis. This one goes up top on the chassis, and you basically put your mount in here. This goes on the transmission. This is going to go on the passenger engine side. You've got this. So where a lot of confusion comes in is a lot of people will say, I've already got the passenger side mount. And we understand that, but what mount you have is, this one's actually anodized red. We sell these, I've got one left. This is, and this is kind of the reason for the video. It's kind of hard to put here. So what happens is you have the upper mount that we sell. This basically, what this would probably do is people would buy a rear mount and then the upper mount, and they just change those two. If they just want some easy street driving, not much competition, a little firmer setup. So what they're actually doing is when you buy these side mounts, these are the actual side mounts for the engine. You are replacing this upper mount with this mount. It is a solid piece that attaches on to this piece, and you eliminate the upper mount. So there's so much confusion because people always want to say, I didn't get this, I didn't get this, I don't know where this goes. Here's the thing, when you buy these 2 mounts here, you delete this one. So you can sell your upper mount and you basically bolt it there. The other problem I've seen with some installs is a lot of you refuse to use these 2 mounts using the stock basically like chassis mount that is OEM from Honda. You need to include that because what you're having is a lot more flex off these 2 chassis points. And especially on the higher horsepower 9th generation Civics, we're seeing a lot of failures because a lot of people aren't putting that mount on. So make sure you do that. So if you guys have questions, write it down in the comments below. I hope this video kind of helps some of you guys out understand. We do sell both these separate. I don't recommend upgrading this one and not this side, because then you're going to have one super soft and one hard. You really should buy these 2 on our website. I think we have them for $400 shipped on these. I've got one of these little upper ones left in 62. I do have the side mounts in stock just on 62. Anything else, it's about a 1 to 2 week wait. Hasport make them direct for us per order if I don't have them here. So yeah, I hope that kind of goes over everything on the actual kits. There's a lot of mistakes happening out there with you guys, and the reason I wanted to do the video was kind of go over this to clear everything up. So I hope you guys, that helps a lot. Like and subscribe to the channel. Till next time.